Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making delicious and easy chicken Caesar lettuce wraps. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, salt, pepper, mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic, Romaine lettuce, croutons. Let's start with the chicken. Rub the chicken breasts with a tablespoon of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Grill or cook the chicken in a skillet over medium-high heat for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side until fully cooked. Once cooked, let the chicken cool slightly, then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Next, let's prepare the Caesar dressing. In a small bowl, combine half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a minced garlic clove, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix well until smooth. Now it's time to assemble the wraps. Lay out the romaine lettuce leaves on a board. Place a few pieces of chopped chicken on each leaf. Drizzle with the homemade Caesar dressing. Sprinkle crushed croutons and additional grated Parmesan cheese on top. And there you have it. Easy chicken Caesar lettuce wraps. Perfect for a light and refreshing meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.